Today, we're in an empty closet. We've lived in this house since December, and so far all of our clothes have been just all over the place. We've got some in the lavender room, we've got some in the green room, we've used the 2 working closets that we have, and it's finally time to give all of our clothes their own space. This closet isn't very functional. There's a lot of shelving in here that is completely unnecessary. I'm going to turn it into a closet that is budget friendly and functional and completely fits our needs. So let's get started. One thing that's important to note is my 3 to 5 year plan is to get rid of this portion of the closet, make it a door, so that way we have a primary suite into a bathroom on this side of the wall. For now, the design is going to take up this half of the wall and this back space, and I'll be eliminating all of this. Eventually, once the plumbing is done in the other room and we're ready to remove these walls, what I'll do is I'll take everything from the back half over here and move it to this side. So I want to make sure that this half is not only functional for the time being, but we have enough space over here on this side of the wall to use it however we see fit in the future. I got the first screw. Yay. Oh yes. Okay, second screw. It just takes a little patience, which I'm not very good at, but that's all it takes. And see if I can pry this off. Actually, let me go ahead and get the bottom ones, then I'll try to pry this off. Don't know how old these screws are, but they are quite rusty, so I'm gonna say it's been a minute that they've been on here. See if this door just pops off. Oh, that's so much easier than I thought it would be. Okay, cool. There's a paper down here that's like really tacked down. I'm gonna have to go get gloves to see if it's like just a wood under here or what's happening. Oh, it's wood. I don't know why it's tacked down there. Hold on. This Purdy putty knife has saved my life. I have used it for every project, and if I didn't have it, I'd be very sad. So now I'm gonna scrape off whatever gunk is happening in this section. Realistically, because I'm putting drawers in here, nobody's ever gonna see this, but I'll know it's there, you'll know it's there, so we might as well just get rid of it.
It was a long, slow march out of Eden. We didn't know just what we were leaving, but our curious hearts had us believing we'd be okay. Along the path we ventured to freedom. For what we seek we had no reason. It was a heart whose doubt was fleeting, led us to say, what if we trip? What if we fall? What if we make it?
This is the stuff that I've been missing, for sure.
What if we throw a winning race? What if we lose the lead we had gained? What if we trip? What if we fall? What if we don't?
I don't think this is holding anything specific. So I'm just gonna rip it off the wall. Okay, oscillating tool. Oh boy. Oh boy.
From a place we knew no needing, it was a comfortable break in the season. Was it a fool's mistake that had us dreaming out on our way? And what if we trip? What if we fall? What if we make a mess of it all? What if we throw a winning race? What if we lose the lead we had gained? What if?
There we go. Now I can let it go.
What if we don't? It was the chance we took with which we flirted, and the rush it gave that made it worth it. It is the humor in us that makes it perfect every time.
Hello. This thing's heavy, so I have to move on my recording. It's unfortunate, really. Once again, have no idea how they got this in or out of the closet. There's no way. How'd they do this? Oh man, I'm just gonna have to work in the closet. Wait. Oh yes, got it. I'm gonna save these. And I like this. I think this is super cute.
stupid thing.
Closet design. I'll be using the material from the previous design in the new closet. The back will be sectioned into 3 separate areas, the left and right for hanging clothes, and the middle section as an open but functional space. The middle shelf here is used from spare panels that were previously on the leftmost wall, and I kept the original support beams on the side walls for shelves in the new design. The clothing rods will be cut down from the previous design to fit on both the left and the right sides, and a mirror and laundry hamper with a lid will be housed in the middle section here. I haven't fully decided how I'd like to utilize all of the space on the right wall. However, I did decide that I want 3 drawers and a shelf for baskets on the lower half of the closet. Things are definitely going to look worse before they look better, so here is the current state of the closet. I will be removing the baseboards and the wood floor so that I can repurpose the floors in other areas of the house, and the baseboards will be put back in the final closet design. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. If you made it to the end, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of my new design or how you would redesign this space.